Let's begin our learning journey and hop onto the topic.
Be wondering how. Google Opal, supercharged by Google's most intelligent and advanced AI model Gemini 3, has added the power of AI app development directly into your hands. Google Opal uses the power of visual chaining, or simple drag-drop interface, to allow users to build complex AI applications by connecting various powerful Google AI models like Gemini, Imagen, VO into sophisticated, multi-step workflows. Let's navigate to Google Opal website. You have the usual Google sign-in option to be completed. This is the home screen. The top section, Your Opal Apps, will have all the apps created by you. This will be blank if you have not created any apps. The Gallery section shows all the sample apps created by Opal team. Let's click on one of them to see how it works. Generated Playlist app clicked. The left side is the visual editor, which shows the workflow called the node-based workflow. Right side is the preview or the app view, where you can see the app screen. Let's click on Start to see how this playlist works. It requires an input. Describe the style or genre of music you are looking for. Or just tell me your mood. Input Hindi melody songs. And we see the app in action. The nodes get highlighted, showing that is the part getting executed. Also, relevant execution message is displayed in Apps section. Finally, it has rendered a beautiful-looking HTML view, with headings and images, and a list of 5 different songs, based on mood we picked. It also added the YouTube link, so that we can directly jump to the music video. Now that we have seen the sample app, let's go ahead and create one from scratch within minutes. Click Create New. Next step is to input your prompt for the app generation. I would like a word dictionary app but with additional information. The prompt I input is, build an app, which will take a word as input, and the output will be 1. Detailed meaning of that word. 2. Pronunciation as globally pronounced verbally in American English. 3. Synonyms of that word. 4. Usage of that word in 2 different sentences. 5. Usage of that word by some celebrity or known personality or in a movie dialogue. Click arrow and the app generation is in progress. We see the visual editor is populated with the workflow nodes. And the preview shows the newly created app, Word Explorer. Enter word. To explore, I input the word spiffy. Workflow processing in progress, and finally we get the HTML output. Indeed, it has given a detailed meaning, synonyms, sentence usage, celebrity usage and pronunciation.
Spiffy?
Everything looks perfect. And just like that I build an useful app in minutes. You can explore the console and node step section. To understand the visual editor section better, you can click on these node steps here. User input. Collects data from the user. Generate, through prompt, incorporates user's inputs, and instructs AI on the exact task to perform. Output. Displays the final processed result in a professional format. Add assets. Connects to external data sources like Google Sheet. And the connectors helps to link the nodes to create the workflow. Important note. Do not use Opal to get information from live dynamic websites, which deal with constant updated data, like current currency rates or current flights, etc. That's all for now. See you in my next video.